economic dialogue. And that was a matter of strategy. And people were telling me, we can't hear from you, where are you, what are you doing, what are you up to? And I said, at the appropriate time, I will tell you what we are up to. And, but as of 26th of last month, after a long struggle, and of course it is a struggle for a reason, National Economic Empowerment Dialogue finally got its certificate from Electoral Commission as a fully fledged political party, but we did not wait for that. In the meantime, as we were waiting for it, we are really canvassing across the country. Now, the purpose of me calling you here is, number one, to tell you that we are launching the party on 23rd, that's Wednesday next week, and in a very, very colorful occasion in which every one of you is invited, but we are also going to have people from across the country who are vying for positions on our ticket who will be there. So it's going to be a big function at which we shall launch need to the people. Then after that, we shall go from region to region, canvassing for people who are interested in our ideology, who believe in economic empowerment, who believe in financial freedom, and all the things that we've been speaking about, and about the equitable distribution of national resources, the things for which need has always been known. We shall go across the country and we shall get them from every single region. And next Wednesday we shall have them here, some of them already, from all regions, including Karamoja. Now, we intend to be a completely national party. That's why I have not been in Kampala only. We are going to be a totally national party, and we are going to have proper, powerful representation from every corner of this country. This is the original certificate that those guys made us have to dance for. It's amazing that people who registered new political parties got theirs before us who took over the existing party. It's not supposed to be like that, but of course there is a reason why they wanted us to be last. But you see, thankfully, the Bible says you're talking to the people who are going to be first. At the end of all this, at the end of all this, you're talking to the people who are going to be first. So we are ready and we are setting off. And next Wednesday, please come for the official launch of the National Economic Empowerment Dialogue political party, led by yours truly, Joseph Kabuleta.